customers say about us.
My husband and I had such a wonderful experience at this store. The owner was so kind and welcoming, and she helped us find the perfect bed at an amazing price. We saved over $3,000. Our mattress was delivered to our doorstep in less than a week. I'm so grateful for her sweet spirit and highly recommend this place to anyone looking for a great deal.
I was in need of a new bed, and these guys were very helpful, even though they were really busy. They also were really helpful and transparent when it came to purchasing the bed as well. I've had my bed for close to a year now.
Great place, convenient, and great pricing. We bought a mattress for our daughter and she loves it. It's very comfortable and the price was just right. We will definitely be back to buy more when we need it.
Customer service was excellent, took the time to answer all of our questions and didn't pressure us into anything. Thanks for the great experience. We'll recommend to everyone.